Go ahead.
My name is Griselda and I'm a rising senior at BlueStampEngineering High School. For my starter kit, I did the grand piano kit, and here it is. So basically, in the kit, I got a lot of things I had to solder. I had resistors, I had capacitors, I had two LED lights, and I had the battery clips, and then I had the pitch button, and then I had the push button, which makes the notes play after a while, because first you have to turn it on and then press this so you can hear the notes. And basically how this works, it's a whole bunch of touch sensors, and for example, if I wanted to play the A note, it would play the A note because it's an electric field. So when my finger gets near the electric field, it alters the capacitance enough that the sensors will notice it and play the A note. And that's basically how it works. I had a lot of hardships I had to overcome, and one of the hardships I had to overcome was like trying to create another leg for the board since I lost it. So one cool thing I got to do was use a 3D printer. However, that didn't print because it was too small. So we had to I had to like balance it with my finger in order to play it, because if it's unbalanced, the notes will not play properly. So that's how I found a solution to that problem. And also, when I try to play it, balancing with my finger, some notes didn't want to play. So I researched online, and it said that some people lack elements in their fingers that don't allow them to play the notes, certain notes on the keyboard, because they can't give a certain amount of electrons to hear that note playing. And what I did for that is other people played this keyboard piano and it worked fine, so for me it didn't. So that's why I thought that I was lacking certain elements in my fingers. So yeah, that's it.
Go ahead.
So now I'm going to demonstrate how to play the piano notes, and I'm going to turn it on. So this is the turn on button. I have to wait for this LED light to go on and off, and it did. So now I can play any note I want, and the note I want to play is C. So as you can hear, that's the C note, that's the B note, that's the A note, that's the C note again, that's the D, that's the E.